Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Class 10th, Subject Physics, Unit number 10. Today we will solve problems. Before solving problems, there are some important formulas which we are using in the problems. So these are the formula: time period of a mass attached to a spring, time period of a pendulum frequency, and the wave speed. So let's start with our first problem, and the first problem statement is that the first problem statement: the time period of a simple pendulum is 2 seconds. What will be its length on Earth? What will be its length on Moon if Gm is equal to Ge over 6, where G is equal to 10 centimeter square? According to the statement, the given data is time period t is equal to length of pendulum. Le we have to find length of pendulum on moon. Lm we have to find gm is equal to g over 6, that is g is equal to 10 divided by 6. The answer will be equal to this. So length on the moon, the formula for the time period t is equal to 2 pi square root L over g. We have to find Le. So we elaborate it, and we will find first Le. So here t is single and here is a square root. First we cancel the square root by taking square on both sides. Clear? Now the answer will be like this: t square, that 2 square is equal to 4 pi square, and we will find Le over Ge. Here 2 will be cut like this. So here 4 pi r square is multiplicative. When we take into the other side, it will be in the dividend form. So that will become 4 pi square is equal to Le over Ge. So we have to find Le and G is divided. When we take into the other side, it will be multiplicative form. So t square multiplied by Ge over 4 pi r square. Now by putting values, so by putting values, this is the values, and we're taking square 2 and taking square of this value, whole multiply both equation and divided by this answer. Then we will find that the length of the pendulum on the earth is equal to 1.02 meter. That is the length of a pendulum on earth. By using calculator we can find. Now we have to find the length on moon, Lm. Again using this formula, we will get directly, we can use the formula t square gm over 4 pi r square into Lm. Simply it is derived from the formula t is equal to 2 pi square root Lm over gm. By solving this formula like a previous one process, and then we will find the formula directly Lm. So by putting the values again, by putting values this, and we know gm, and gm according to the statement Ge over 6, and divided Ge is equal to 10. 10 divided by 6, answer will be 1.66. So we will put the value here, and again the same process, that is equal to 4 multiplied by 1.66 divided by 4 multiplied by here the again value 9.872, that is equal to Lm. By using calculator we can find the exact answer, that is equal to 0.17 meter into Lm. This is our second answer, and that is the length of pendulum on moon. Second numerical problem is that a pendulum of a length 0.99 meter is taken to the moon by an astronaut. The period of the pendulum is 4.9 seconds. What the value of G on the surface of the moon? According to the statement, the given data is length Lm is 0.99 meter, time period Tm 4.9 seconds, Gm we have to find. We know the formula that time period is equal to 2 pi square root Lm over Gm. Now we have to find the Gm taking square on both sides. Lm over gm whole square. So that is equal to t square, that is equal to 4 pi square Lm over gm. So we have to find gm. Simply we can replace this value by this. So gm is equal to t square. So now by putting values, 4 pi value 3.142 whole square multiplied by Lm is equal to 4.0.99 divided by t is equal to 4.9 whole square. So by using calculator we get the values is. So by again using calculator solving these three values, first we multiply and divided by this. So answer will be like this, 1.628. So by rounding off we can exact value of this 1.63 meter per second square. So this is the value of a GM. This is our second numerical. The third numerical statement: find the time period of a simple pendulum of 1 meter length placed on Earth and the Moon. The value of G on the surface of Moon is 1.6 of its value of on Earth, where G is equal to 10 meter per second square. So given data is, so we know the value of formula as a time period on Earth, 2 pi square root LE over GE. Now by putting values, so by using calculator we divide first 1 divided by 10 and answer will be taken by this square root we will take, the answer will become this. Now by using calculator we multiply both values, the answer will be a 1.98. so rounding off, the answer will be a 2 second. Now we have to find on the Moon, and the formula is this. By putting values here, by using the formula, t is equal to 2 pi square root Lm over gm, gm is equal to 10 over 6, 1.66. By putting values this, we will get 1.66 and divided by this and taking square root of the answer will be a 0.776. By multiply these three values, we will get 4.87. By rounding off this value, the exact time 4.9 second we will get on the Moon. This is our numerical.